Let's learn how to store an itinerary fare in a price quote or PQ record. We have this PNR for 3 passengers, and it is already booked in RBD, applicable for cheapest available fare. Now we will create price quote for ticket issuance. There are 2 ways to create price quote record. First, we will use WP command for PNR pricing. The system is showing fare for 3 passenger types. Use PQ command to create price quote record from the last pricing response. Price quote record is retained. The system automatically creates a separate PQ record for each passenger type. Type IR command to ignore and retrieve PNR. Let's try another option to create PQ record. Type WPRQ command to price itinerary and retain quote. Price quote record is retained for all the passengers. Use IR command to ignore and retrieve PNR, as we will check more options. To combine qualifiers with WPRQ command, add cross of Lorraine. Type N1 to create PQ only for name number 1. Add another cross as a separator. Add qualifier S1 to price only first segment. Passenger type code can be added with letter P. Qualifier PADT will price PNR only for adult. To add account code, use qualifier AC with asterisk. To add tour code, use qualifier UN with asterisk. Multiple qualifiers can be combined if needed. Let's price current itinerary and retain price quote with WPRQ command. Save the system response with 6P and ER command. After saving, the price quote record exists. Use asterisk PQS command to display price quote summary. Here, we can see separate PQ for each passenger, by name number. All the name numbers are listed here. Here is the separate PQ number for each passenger. Passenger type codes are mentioned here. This is the field for ticket designator code. Here, you have different PQ tags. Letter M is used for manual price, letter S for system price, and letter A for amended. Here is the date of PQ creation. Total fare with currency code is displayed here, for each price quote. Use asterisk PQ with record number to display specific PQ record. This is the price quote number 1. Here is the pricing command that was used to create the record. Price quote shows the base fare, taxes, total fare, passenger type, fare basis, and fare calculation. Type MD command to move down. Here is the fare source vendor code. This line shows who created the record, from which PCC, with time and date. This indicates that PQ was priced with system fare. Type asterisk PQ command. To display price quote in graphical mode, open trip summary by clicking on briefcase icon. Now, click on the PNR. Click on Quotes tab. All the price quote records are displayed here. Click on the drop-down to display fare details. Here, you can view all the taxes and fare calculation. Check the baggage information. Air extras are displayed here. Click on the green icon on right side to view fare rules. Penalties are displayed with category 16. Click on Delete tab. System gives you option, either to delete specific PQ or all the PQs in PNR. You can select all the PQs from here. Then click on Delete tab. Now, reconfirm the deletion of all the price quotes. We will select Cancel to skip deletion of PQs. Type *PQS to display price quote summary. Now, we will learn how to delete PQs using command. PQD is the command to delete price quote. Add number 1 to delete only first price quote. To delete multiple PQs in sequence, add hyphen, followed by the number of PQ. For out of sequence, PQ, use slash, followed by PQ number. To delete all the PQs, add hyphen all after PQD. Save the changes with 6p and ER command. Sometimes you need to update price quote, as advised by the airline. The updates are possible only in manual price quote. Type WPRQA command to price the itinerary, and to create a manual price quote record. Price quote record is retained. Save the changes. Manual price quote record is created. Type *PQS command to display price quote summary. Here, letter M indicates that this is a manual PQ. Type *WTKT1 command to access manual mask for price quote number 1. You can add or update any field in this mask, based on the authorization from the airline. It is the responsibility of the agent to make sure that all the details are added correctly in mask. Press Enter to continue from one screen to next. Here, you can either update or add more taxes. Press Enter to move to the next screen. Here you can update fare basis, baggage, validity dates or fare calculation. Or press Enter to continue. We are back on the first screen. Press Escape key to exit the mask. And then type ER command to save it. Now, we will learn how to create a manual PQ record, using the mask including multiple passenger types. You will need to obtain the fare details from the airline before creating manual PQ. Make sure you receive fare basis, validity dates, baggage, fare, tax breakdown, tour code, fare calculation, endorsement, or any other information applicable for price quote. Once you have all the relevant details, you are ready to create manual price quote mask. Type command W cross CTKT, cross with letter P for passenger type code. Add 3-letter code ADT for adult, /CNN for child, /INF for infant, as we have 3 types of passengers in PNR. Press Escape key to exit the mask, and save the changes with 6p and ER command. Manual price records are created. Type *PQS command to display price quote summary. Separate manual PQ record is created for each passenger type. There are no fare details in PQ mask. Let's access first PQ record with *WTKT1 command. This is the ticket record number you are working on. Passenger type code for adult. Endorsement will be added here. Add base fare currency code as QAR. Add base fare amount. Start adding the tax amount with 2-letter code. There are 6 tax fields. If there are more taxes, enter X in this field. To exempt all taxes, enter X in this field. Here, we have option to add more taxes. Press Enter to continue. Sabre defaults flight coupon status to O for stopover. Enter X for connection indicator. Enter applicable, not valid before and after dates. Enter the free baggage allowance. Enter the fare basis code here. Add same details for each flight coupon, as advised by the airline. Here, we will add the fare calculation. Copy the details shared by airline and paste here. Press Enter to continue. Press Enter again. Press Escape key to exit the mask and save the changes. Type *PQS command to display PQ summary. Here, you can see the fare amount for first PQ, which we added manually using PQ mask. Type *PQ1 to display first price quote. All the details added through mask are visible here. This is the manual price tag for PQ. Type *A to display all the elements of PNR. Continue updating mask for other passengers, according to the guidelines shared by the airline, or type letter I to ignore the PNR. In next video, we will learn how to issue ticket using price quote record.